Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a get ready with me for a rave. It's obviously not today. It's actually tomorrow. I'll be going to Ubbi Dubbi. I actually got my first PR package, I want to say. Rave Babe Candy from Instagram did send me an outfit and some glitter and accessories to use for Ubbi Dubbi, so I'll be actually representing her this weekend. She made this glitter and she made me some candy and she made this choker and then she made me this little top and some little bottoms that I have on. You'll be seeing it in the video. Actually, this video was requested by somebody in my comments a while back. They were like, can you do a rave get ready with me? So this is it. I really hope y'all enjoy it, and if you're going to Ubbi Dubbi, make sure to, if you see me, say hi to me. I am using my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette, and I am using the color Pop Rocks all over my crease. From the same palette, I am using the color Boom, and I am putting it on my lid, and I'm just gonna smoke it out with the color Pop Rocks, kind of like a purple pinkish smoky eye. From the NYX glitter stack, I am using a purple glitter and I am using the NYX glitter glue also and putting it all over my inner corner, and then I'm just gonna put the glitter. For my lower lash line, I am using the CoverGirl True Naked Jewel palette and I am using the blue to smoke out my lower lash line. For this next step, I usually just use craft store jewels and put them wherever I desire on my face. I don't put any glue, I just put them like that. They usually last because I spray them with setting spray. Glitter, I am using the glitter that Rave Babe Candy gifted me. I usually put it on my forehead or under my eyes or on my cheekbones. This time I did it like this and I actually really liked it. It was my first time. I usually put it on my body too. The glitter that she gave me is actually on gel form, so I didn't have to glue it. For mascara, I am using the Buxom mascara. For this look, I didn't want to use lashes just because it's such a flashy look. I opted out on the lashes. For my hair, I'm just doing two little ponytails. I really don't think that I need to really show y'all how to do that or voice over this, but I really like having my hair down just because I like dancing and I think it looks so pretty when you're dancing and your hair is just flowing in the air when you're spinning or doing whatever you do. So I really like it. I usually put accessories in my hair, but I didn't have any this time, so I just left it like that. I usually put glitter on my hair also. I just didn't want to do it this time because it's really hard to come off, so I just decided not to. For outfit, I am wearing this Rave Babe Candy outfit that she made for me. I will link her shop down below in case anybody's interested. This is all for today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all would like more of these type of get ready with me, please like, subscribe, or comment. If y'all are going to any shows this weekend, please be safe. Bye guys!